Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Madeline, and today I am going to be starting a new series called Maddi Experiments. So this series is basically where I experiment with slime and put random ingredients in the slime that should not be in slime in the first place, and see how the slime reacts. So yeah, this is episode 1, but before we get started, be sure to subscribe, hit that little gray bell next to it so you'll never miss another video that I post. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this episode I decided to add some alcohol, add some 70% alcohol into this normal white glue based slime and see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna get a tiny chunk of the slime. And start adding the 70% alcohol on it and mixing the alcohol in. I'm just gonna go all in and add it in. So it's beginning to be really stringy. I think it's deactivating it. I'm not sure. It's just being really stringy and kind of looks like a spider web. But I'm just gonna mix it in and see what happens. Okay, so it definitely feels a little bit stickier. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it deactivated the slime a little bit. So I think that's really cool. I never knew that rubbing 70% alcohol could deactivate slime, but I am going to add more and see what happens. So it's acting like the same way it did in the beginning, becoming all stringy, looking like a spider web, kind of melting it. And separating into little blobs. Kind of looks like if you create a slime and you fail. And it looks like a spider web, literally, if you stretch it out a certain way. Okay, so I'm pretty sure rubbing alcohol melts slime. And the slime is becoming pretty sticky. So yeah, I guess you could use rubbing alcohol to deactivate slime. I never knew that, but that's cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit that little grid next to it so you'll never miss another video. And comment down below if I should continue with this series, and if you want me to continue, comment down below what ingredient should I add to slime next time. So thanks for watching. Bye!